Which blockchain giant will lead in 2023, Solana or Ethereum? An epic clash of titans unfolds in the crypto universe. We'll delve into their tech, scalability, smart contracts, security, adoption trends, tokenomics, and future roadmaps. Stay tuned as we delve into this intriguing crypto rivalry. To understand the rivalry, we must first grasp their technological foundations. Let's delve into the technological underpinnings of these two blockchain giants. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap, is based on the proof-of-work consensus mechanism, which involves miners solving complex mathematical puzzles to validate transactions. However, Ethereum is currently transitioning to a new consensus mechanism known as proof of stake. This change promises to make Ethereum more energy efficient, as it eliminates the need for miners and allows holders to validate transactions based on the number of coins they hold. On the other hand, Solana, a high-performance blockchain platform, boasts of an innovative consensus mechanism known as proof of history. Proof of history is a novel approach that allows for greater scalability and speed. Instead of relying on miners or stakers, proof of history uses a unique timestamp system to process transactions. Each transaction gets a timestamp, creating a historical record that proves that a specific event occurred at a particular time. This system allows Solana to process transactions at lightning speed, making it one of the fastest blockchains in existence. While Ethereum's shift to proof of stake is a significant step towards increased efficiency and scalability, it's worth noting that Solana's proof of history is already delivering these benefits. Solana's unique technology enables it to handle thousands of transactions per second, giving it a substantial edge over most blockchains, including Ethereum. However, technology is just one part of the equation. While Ethereum's robust ecosystem and widespread adoption have cemented its place as a leading blockchain platform, Solana's superior speed and scalability make it a formidable contender. But here's the thing. Technological prowess alone doesn't guarantee success in the dynamic world of blockchain. User adoption, developer support, network security, and several other factors come into play. Both platforms are built on unique technologies, but how do they fare in real-world applications? As we continue our journey through this epic crypto clash, we'll explore these aspects in more detail, shedding light on which platform might have the upper hand in 2023. Stay tuned. In the world of crypto, speed and scalability are king. Famous last words that echo through the corridors of the digital world, and nowhere is this more relevant than in our epic clash between Solana and Ethereum. Let's dive into the deep end of scalability and transaction speed, two critical factors that determine the efficiency and usability of a blockchain network. Picture this. You're at a bustling market, and you've got a line of customers waiting to make purchases. If you're the only cashier, that line can get pretty long, pretty quickly, right? That's Ethereum, currently dealing with scalability issues akin to being a solo cashier in a busy marketplace. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap, has been wrestling with scalability issues for a while now. Its network can process roughly 15 transactions per second, which might sound impressive until you compare it to traditional payment systems like Visa, which handles thousands of transactions per second. But Ethereum isn't standing still. It's working on upgrades labeled Ethereum 2.0, which aims to increase its scalability through a process known as sharding. In our market analogy, sharding would be like adding more cashiers to the checkout line to handle more customers simultaneously. This upgrade could potentially boost Ethereum's transaction speed to thousands per second, but as we speak, it's still in the works. Now let's turn to Solana. Built with speed and scalability in its DNA, Solana is like a super efficient marketplace with dozens of cashiers ready to handle transactions. It's designed to process a whopping 50,000 transactions per second, thanks to its unique consensus algorithm, proof of history. Proof of history allows Solana to process transactions in the order they were received, reducing the need for communication between nodes and thus speeding up the entire process. It's like having a well-oiled, efficient system where each cashier knows exactly which customer to serve next, keeping the line moving swiftly. Moreover, Solana's block times, or the time it takes to confirm a transaction and add it to the blockchain, are phenomenally fast. While Ethereum's block times average around 15 seconds, Solana boasts a block time of just 400 milliseconds. That's less time than it takes to blink. In essence, Solana's high throughput and rapid block times provide a scalable solution for decentralized applications and crypto projects, enabling them to handle large volumes of transactions quickly and efficiently. So, where does this leave us in the Solana versus Ethereum showdown? Well, it's clear that in terms of scalability and transaction speed, Solana currently has the upper hand. But Ethereum, with its upcoming Ethereum 2.0 upgrade, is not out of the race just yet. The crypto world is a dynamic landscape, where change is the only constant. As we venture further into 2023, the battle for supremacy continues. While Ethereum works on solutions, Solana already delivers high speed and scalability. But remember, in this thrilling world of blockchain, it's not just about who's fast, but who can adapt, evolve, and consistently deliver on their promises. Smart contracts are the lifeblood of any blockchain. This is where the magic happens, where code transforms into action, and where theoretical concepts materialize into practical applications. The ability to execute transactions automatically, without the need for intermediaries, is a game changer, and both Ethereum and Solana understand this. Ethereum, as the second largest blockchain network, has a significant advantage in terms of developer support. It's been around since 2015, giving it a significant head start. Over the years, it has cultivated a robust and mature developer community. The Ethereum ecosystem is brimming with resources, tools, and tutorials to help developers navigate the complexities of creating decentralized applications or dApps. It's like a bustling metropolis where developers from around the world gather to share ideas, solve problems, and create innovative solutions. One of Ethereum's key strengths is its programming language, Solidity. It's a language specifically designed for creating smart contracts on Ethereum. It's like the Esperanto of blockchain, a universal language that bridges the gap between different programming cultures. This has made Ethereum a hotspot for developers and has led to the creation of thousands of dApps. But let's not forget about Solana. Although it's newer to the scene, Solana is making waves with its high-performance blockchain platform. Its primary focus is on delivering fast, secure, and scalable solutions, which is why it's catching the attention of developers worldwide. Solana's developer ecosystem, although not as extensive as Ethereum's, is growing at a remarkable pace. The network offers comprehensive documentation, developer tools, and resources, making it easier for developers to build on Solana. It's like a bustling new city, still under construction but already attracting residents eager for a fresh start. One of Solana's unique features is its programming model, known as Solana Program Library or SPL. It's a flexible and efficient tool that allows developers to write smart contracts in various programming languages, including C, Rust, and JavaScript. This flexibility opens the door for a broader range of developers to create dApps on Solana. Moreover, Solana is actively incentivizing developers to build on its platform. It has launched several initiatives, including hackathons and grant programs, to attract and support developers. These incentives are fueling innovation and growth within the Solana ecosystem. So, what's the takeaway? Ethereum's developer community is mature and well-established thanks to its early start and dedicated programming language. However, Solana is not far behind. Its focus on performance, flexibility, and developer incentives is attracting a growing number of developers. Although Ethereum has a head start, Solana's developer ecosystem is rapidly catching up. As we move forward into the blockchain future, the race between these two giants is bound to become even more exciting. Decentralization and security, the cornerstones of blockchain technology. These are the pillars that sustain the integrity and resilience of networks like Solana and Ethereum. But how do they stack up against each other? Let's dive into the world of Solana first. This high-performance blockchain operates on a unique consensus mechanism known as proof of history. This algorithm allows for greater scalability and speed, but what about security? Well, Solana uses a system of validators. These are network participants who stake a certain amount of SOL tokens to confirm transactions and maintain the network's security. The more decentralized the validators, the more secure the network. And Solana has been successful in attracting a wide range of validators from various parts of the world, adding to its decentralization and security. Now, let's hop over to Ethereum. As many of you know, Ethereum started with the proof-of-work consensus mechanism, which is highly secure but less scalable. However, Ethereum is transitioning to a proof-of-stake mechanism with its Ethereum 2.0 upgrade. promising to enhance both scalability and security. This new system will also rely on validators who stake ETH tokens to secure the network. The transition is a complex process, and while it's expected to make Ethereum more competitive, it's also a source of uncertainty. And what about decentralization? Ethereum has been around longer than Solana, so it has a more extensive network of nodes and developers, which contributes to its decentralization. However, Solana's innovative design and high-performance capabilities are attracting an increasing number of developers and users, enhancing its decentralization. Now, it's important to note that both Solana and Ethereum face challenges when it comes to balancing scalability, security, and decentralization, often referred to as the blockchain trilemma. It's a tough balancing act, and each network has its approach. Ethereum, being more mature, has a proven track record of security, albeit with some well-known hiccups. Its move to Ethereum 2.0 is a bold attempt to solve the trilemma, but the outcome is still in the balance. Meanwhile, Solana, with its innovative proof-of-history mechanism and rapidly growing network, is a rising star in the blockchain universe. It offers high-speed and low-cost transactions, while striving to maintain strong security and decentralization. In conclusion, both Solana and Ethereum are making significant strides in enhancing network security and maintaining decentralization. They each have their strengths and face their unique challenges. The race is on, and it's a fascinating one to watch. Both networks prioritize security and decentralization, but who is leading in adoption and partnerships? Let's explore that in the next scene. Partnerships and adoption can make or break a blockchain. This statement rings particularly true in the world of cryptocurrencies, where the battle for supremacy is often determined by who has the most users and the most influential allies. Ethereum, the long-standing titan of the crypto world, has always been a crowd favorite. With its pioneering smart contracts and decentralized applications, it has been adopted by a diverse range of sectors. From the finance industry, with the rise of DeFi platforms, to the gaming industry, with the advent of NFTs, Ethereum's versatility has led to widespread acceptance. It's like the Swiss Army knife of blockchains, offering a tool for almost every conceivable use case. But widespread adoption is only one part of the equation. To truly lead in this space, a blockchain needs to form strategic partnerships that can drive its growth. And this is where Solana shines. Solana's journey in the crypto space may be relatively new compared to Ethereum, but it has made significant strides in a short span of time. Solana's focus on high-speed and low-cost transactions has attracted a slew of partnerships. From the global payment platform Circle, which chose Solana for its USDC stablecoin, to the popular browser extension Phantom Wallet that allows users to interact with the Solana blockchain seamlessly. These partnerships are not just about adding new features, they're about creating an ecosystem where users, developers, and businesses can thrive. Moreover, Solana's partnerships extend beyond the crypto space. It has been making waves in the music industry with Audius, a decentralized music streaming platform that boasts over 6 million users. And let's not forget its partnership with the global fantasy football giant, Sorare. These collaborations are helping Solana penetrate markets that are traditionally dominated by centralized entities, making it a formidable challenger to Ethereum. And then there's the Serum DEX, a decentralized exchange built on Solana, backed by influential names like FTX and Alameda Research. Serum's high-speed, low-cost trading is a game-changer in the DeFi space, and it's all powered by Solana. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. While Solana's strategic partnerships are impressive, Ethereum's widespread adoption cannot be overlooked. Ethereum is deeply ingrained in the crypto space, with a vast community of developers and users. Its influence extends far beyond its own blockchain, with many other blockchains, including Solana, incorporating Ethereum's innovations into their own platforms. So, where does this leave us? Well, it's a tale of two strategies. Ethereum is leveraging its first-mover advantage and widespread adoption to maintain its position. On the other hand, Solana is rapidly forming strategic partnerships to accelerate its growth and carve out its own niche in the crypto world. While Ethereum dominates in adoption, Solana's strategic partnerships are paving the way for its future. So, as we look towards the future, it's clear that this epic clash of crypto titans is far from over. Investors, here's what you need to know about Sol and ETH. Let's dive into the tokenomics of Solana and Ethereum. Tokenomics refers to the economic framework that drives a token's value and utility in its ecosystem. Solana's native token, SOL, operates in a deflationary model. This means that the total supply of SOL decreases over time, typically creating upward pressure on the price. SOL is used not only for transaction fees, but also for staking, which is crucial for the security and stability of the Solana network. On the other hand, Ethereum's ETH operates on a slightly different premise. While it started with an inflationary model, the recent London upgrade and its EIP 1559 proposal have introduced a burn mechanism, effectively making ETH deflationary. ETH is used to power smart contracts and transactions on the Ethereum network. Looking at price histories, Ethereum has been around since 2015 and has seen astronomical growth. It started at a mere 31 cents and reached an all-time high of over $4,000 in May 2021. Solana, a more recent entrant into the market, launched in April 2020 at less than $1. Despite being a newer player, Solana's price has skyrocketed, reaching an all-time high of over $200 in November 2022. Now, let's consider future price potentials. Ethereum's transition to Ethereum 2.0 and its move to proof of stake is expected to significantly increase its scalability, potentially driving up the price of ETH. Solana's future price potential, on the other hand, is influenced by its high-speed, low-cost transactions and growing ecosystem of decentralized applications. It is also vital to discuss risk and reward. Crypto investments can be volatile and risky. However, they also offer the potential for high returns. Ethereum, being a well-established player, may offer a somewhat lower risk profile than Solana, but perhaps with lower potential returns due to its already high market cap. Solana, while potentially riskier due to its shorter track record, might provide higher returns if its growth trajectory continues. In conclusion, both Solana and Ethereum have robust tokenomics, impressive price histories, and promising future potentials. Each offers a unique value proposition and investment perspective. Ethereum's longevity and upcoming 2.0 upgrade make it a solid choice for those seeking a more established player. Solana's impressive scalability and growing ecosystem make it an exciting pick for those willing to take on a bit more risk for potentially higher returns. Both SOL and ETH present attractive investment opportunities, but what does the future hold for each? As we navigate the ever-evolving landscape of blockchain technology, only time will tell which of these giants will lead the way. So stay tuned, stay informed, and remember, always do your own research before making investment decisions. What does the future hold for Solana and Ethereum? As we steer our gaze towards the horizon, it's clear that both blockchains have exciting developments in store. For Solana, the future looks incredibly vibrant. Its roadmap reveals a relentless pursuit of innovation. One of the biggest developments on the horizon is the introduction of Solana's on-chain program library. This is expected to significantly streamline the development process by providing pre-built, reusable programs for developers. It's a game changer, to say the least, making Solana's network even more developer-friendly and promoting the creation of more diverse and complex applications. In the same breath, Solana is also working on implementing a cross-chain bridge to Ethereum. This would allow for seamless asset transfers between the two networks, further expanding Solana's reach into the crypto ecosystem. It's an ambitious undertaking that could potentially solidify Solana's position in the market. On the other side of the coin, Ethereum isn't resting on its laurels either. The much-anticipated Ethereum 2.0 upgrade is the talk of the town. This upgrade is expected to drastically improve Ethereum's scalability and efficiency, thanks to the implementation of shard chains and the shift from proof-of-work to proof-of-stake consensus mechanism. Ethereum 2.0 could potentially usher in a new era for the blockchain, making it more competitive in terms of transaction speed and scalability. However, it's important to note that Ethereum 2.0 has been in the works for quite some time, and the exact timeline for its full implementation remains uncertain. This could give Solana, with its faster development cycle, an edge in the race. In conclusion, the future is bright for both Solana and Ethereum. Both blockchains are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, striving to improve their platforms in their own unique ways. However, Solana's ambitious plans and its relentless pace of innovation may just give it the edge it needs to outshine Ethereum. The future looks promising for both blockchains, but here's why we think Solana could outshine Ethereum. Why could Solana outperform Ethereum in 2023? This is the question that we've been working towards, and here's the answer. Let's look at the key points we've covered so far. Firstly, Solana's technological foundations are robust. Its innovative proof of history consensus mechanism enables it to process transactions at lightning speed. And speaking of speed, let's not forget about scalability. Solana's network can handle an astounding 50,000 transactions per second, dwarfing Ethereum's current capacity. Next, we have the smart contract functionalities and developer support. Solana's growing community of developers is a testament to its user-friendly environment. The platform's ease of use and robust toolset make it an attractive option for developers looking to build decentralized applications. When it comes to decentralization and network security, Solana excels. It's highly decentralized, with validators spread across the globe. This, coupled with its robust security protocols, makes Solana a reliable and secure platform for transactions. And let's not forget about adoption trends and partnerships. Solana's growing list of high-profile partnerships, including those with global brands and influential figures, is helping to drive its adoption at an unprecedented rate. Tokenomics and investment perspectives are also essential to consider. Solana's token SOL has shown impressive growth and potential for even greater price appreciation. Its limited supply and increasing demand could lead to a bullish market for SOL. Finally, Solana's future roadmap is full of promise. With plans for further scalability enhancements and new features, Solana is poised for continued growth and innovation. So why could Solana outperform Ethereum in 2023? It's simple. Solana's speed, scalability, security, and growing adoption make it a formidable contender. But of course, only time will tell. In the epic clash of Solana versus Ethereum, we believe Solana has the potential to take the lead in 2023.